Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question determine if string halves are alike. I have a small request. Watching the video until the end contributes to a positive rating from YouTube, so I would appreciate it if you could watch the video until the end. Thank you. Okay, so first of all, let's check key point. So string S is even length, and split this string into two halves of equal length. So let's say we have A, B. So in that case, we can split this position, right? So that we will have the same length on the left side and the right side, right? So how about this, A, B, C, D? So in that case, we have to split the string this position, right? And how about this, A, B, C, D, E, F? In that case, we have to split the string here, right? Very simple. And I think there are a lot of ways to solve this question, but let me explain the solution with 2 pointers. Okay, so let me use textbook from example 2. So this is a false case. So first of all, we initialized left pointer and going to right side, and initialize right side going to left side. And we iterate through all characters one by one, and then count R, A, E, O, U, and with like a uppercase and a lowercase. So this is a LV is a left vowels, and RV is a right vowels. So this is just count. And then let's check. So first of all, left pointer is index 0, so that is T. This is not vowels, so that's why we don't add +1 to LV. And how about right side? That is K. It's false, right? In that case, we don't add anything. And then move next at the same time. So left pointer move to index 1, and the right pointer move to last index -1, so here. So now L pointer, left pointer pointing E. So that is one of vowels, right? So in that case, we should add +1. And how about right side? O. So this is one of vowels, right? So add +1 to RV, and then move next, and move next. Again, so X is false, right? And O is true. So that's why we should add +1 to RV, and then move next. So move next, and then so left pointer pointing T. So it's false, right? How about the right pointer? So pointing B. So that is a false, right? So we don't do anything. And then move next. So L is here, and R is here. So now, so left pointer is greater than right pointer. In that case, we stop iteration. So now, so that means, so if left pointer is greater than right pointer, so that means we are like a center of string. So that means here. So we have 4 characters on the left side and 4 characters on the right side. So looks good, right? So in that case, we compare so LV and RV, and then so LV is 1 and RV is 2, right? So in that case, we have 1 vowel on the left side, so that means E, right? And we have 2 vowels on the right side, OO, right? So that's why in the case we should return false. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, initialize left and left vowels, and then right vowels equal 0. And the right pointer should be last index, so length S -1. And every time we have to check vowels, so we should have like a vowels list. So in this case, we use set because we can access all one time. So vowels equal, and let me copy from description, and like this. And then start iterating. So while left is less than right, In the case we continue, so if s and left in vowels, in the case add +1 to left vowels plus equal 1, and we did almost same thing. So s and right in vowels, in the case add +1 to right vowels plus equal 1. And then we have to move 2 pointers. So left pointer should be plus equal 1, and the right pointer should be minus equal 1. And then after that, just compare left vowels equal right vowels. Yeah, that's it. So let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n. So where n is a length of input string. So that's because look at this while loop. And in the while loop, every operation is O1. And we execute n divided 2 times, right? So usually we remove the constant number. So that's why time complexity should be order of n. And the space complexity is, I think, O1. So we use simple variables. And this values list is not growing. Depends on size of input string. So every variables are like a fixed size. So that's why O1. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.